Hey everybody, I'm back again with another video, so grab yourself a cold drink and let's get this on. So the first thing I'm going to do is reinstall Kodi. Now I've already uninstalled it so that I can make a fresh install of Kodi. I went on the website and the full release of Kodi 17 is now out. So I have the videos sped up so that it won't take as long as normal. And now I'm going to run Kodi. And as you can see here, it is the Krypton release. You want to go into the little cog there and then go into System Settings, go into Add-ons. And then when you're in Add-ons, there's a thing called Unknown Sources. You want to check mark that and say yes. Now go to File Manager and click on Add a Source. Now click on the None and you'll see this path that comes up and you have to fill it out. http://repo.stvmc.net. Click OK. Then put in a title. You can make it anything you want. I'm going to put a dot in the front and then call it Spins. Click OK. Now click on this icon. Kind of looks like a box. And you go down to Install from Zip File. And you'll see the spins at the top. And then you click Repository. And then you'll see on the right hand side that it says that it is enabled. Now go to the Program add-ons. And you will see that there is a SpinzTV in there. Click on that and say Install. And as you can see now, it's downloading and installing stuff for your build. Now you might get this message. You want to click Dismiss and then Build menu. Now when I did this, it actually crashed my program or force closed it. Not sure, but I just had to launch it again. And as you can see, you saw SpinzTV at the top right there. So I went back to there and I went into the wizard under the program add-ons. And I went into builds and I selected a build. So I did the SpinzTV Hard Nox Krypton build. Now I know there are some other YouTube videos on this build and they seem to really like it. So that's why I wanted to try it out and test it. So as you can see here, it is installing all the files it needs in order to do the build, and it puts the build in a windowed format. So obviously if you're running Windows 10, you're going to get it just like I am. And I'm shooting through I sped it up a little bit just to show. Now to me, this build was a little bit laggy. I know it's got a lot of content and a lot of different add-ons that it predefines for you. For me personally, I really wasn't too digging the style of the build, and the lag was significant as far as when you would click on a selection or click on an area, it kind of took a minute to think about it. Now I know it was downloading, but I even closed it and then turned it on just to see if it was still downloading add-ons and still downloading information. As you can see here, I am pulling up a movie and it is in Exodus. So like any other Kodi that has Exodus, it's gonna run fine, although it kind of put it in a different format than the stock Krypton. So it has its own skin, which it looks alright. I'm not super impressed with the skin. And like I said, when I clicked on certain things, it gave me some lag. And I have a i7 with 32 gigs of RAM and an SSD hard drive. So it's not like my machine is slow. It's a very fast machine. So as you can see though, the playback is decent. It's good. It's just like any other Kodi. The presentation is kind of nice, although like I said, I'm not really digging the theme colors and how it like boxes out the cover art like that. And then the menus just seem kind of basic to me. I would say that if you're looking to get a lot of content and you don't mind a little bit of lagginess on the menus, then this build would be fine. But I use TV add-ons, and it seems to work a lot faster as far as the presentation. Maybe because it is more slimmed down as far as a build. It's not real fancy. And, you know, I mean, if you want to have it look cool, this might be the way to go. But for me, the TV add-ons build is still a little bit better than this one. And as you can see here, I'm trying a few things. Now, there's iCandy TV, which I never used before, but seemed to work really well. So I do like that. And I might just install that on my TV add-ons, and or I might just do a fresh build and install each add-on individually. So I am probably going to be testing some other builds in the near future. This one, like I said, for me, really wasn't all that, but a lot of YouTubers really like it. So I would say, if you want, give it a shot. If you don't like it, you could do what I do and just uninstall it and try another build. Okay, here we go, final thoughts time. So I tested the SpinzTV build out, and it wasn't for me. It does have a ton of content, but it is kind of laggy. I know that people do say this build is the best build ever. You see it on YouTube all day. Best new build for Krypton, or best build ever. The best build for you is the one that you like. So leave a comment if you like this build or another build that I can test. Please subscribe if you want to catch more tutorial videos and much more. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get the tech out of here. Thanks again.